What's up guys, the TechSpot here, and today Apple released iOS 13.5.1. Okay, that point 1 is very important because that point 1 blocks the Unc0ver Jailbreak. That is the only reason why this iOS version was released by Apple, okay? They tested it on their iPhone, okay? Tim Cook was there with his iPhone, right? He was like, alright, the Unc0ver Jailbreak's out. And Tim Cook jailbroke his iPhone. Probably not, but I think so, okay? So Tim Cook was like, oh, okay, this jailbreak is really cool. I'm gonna download some tweaks, find out what to use in our next software update, iOS 14. We'll put those jailbreak tweaks in iOS 14, but in the meantime, I don't want anyone else to jailbreak. So we're gonna pass this jailbreak because it does have security flaws for our devices. So we're gonna block this jailbreak, and that is exactly what iOS 13.5.1 does. So yeah, if you do want to jailbreak your device or you want to keep your jailbreak on your device, do not update to iOS 13.5.1. Now, to make sure that does not happen, I do recommend that you guys take these steps to make sure your phone doesn't automatically update to iOS 13.5.1. Alright, so what you want to do is on your device, you want to head over to settings and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Now over here, you guys will see the iOS 13.5.1 update. Of course, do not tap on download and install because all it does is block the Unc0ver Jailbreak. That's all it does. And anyways, what you want to do is tap on automatic updates. Here you will find the toggle for automatic updates. Make sure it is disabled so that you will not automatically update and you're good to go. Now, if it did automatically download, I would go over here to iPhone storage, back in general, and then you want to scroll down once it's loaded up. So over here, you would want to scroll down, and if it downloaded any iOS 13.5.1 software update, go ahead and tap on it and delete it so that you don't have your device taking up space. And yeah, so that's how to keep your device from updating to iOS 13.5.1 automatically. Alright, now, what if you didn't see my video yet and you had already updated to iOS 13.5.1 not knowing that it blocks the jailbreak? Well, if you want to go back to 13.5 so that you could jailbreak or keep your jailbreak, you can still downgrade right now from iOS 13.5.1 down to 13.5 very easily. But guys, I would do this very quick because iOS 13.5 is only going to be signed by Apple for so long. Alright, so here's how to downgrade from 13.5.1 through 13.5 as Apple is still signing it. So to see if Apple is still signing it, head over to the website ipsw.me, link will be down below in the description, and click on your device. So I have the iPhone, so I'm gonna click right here, and right, so let's say you have the iPhone SE 2020, and there you guys will see it has the iOS 13.5 in green. So that means Apple is still signing it, okay? Once it moves its way over to red, that means it is no longer being signed and you will not be able to downgrade normally. So right now it's still being signed. You guys can see it's still in the green, so we are good to go. And again, just download it for your specific device. So all you gotta do is then click on the software, so iOS 13.5, and here you guys will see the download file, okay? All you do is click on download. So after you have downloaded, you don't need an internet browser anymore. You wanna go and plug your device into your computer, which I have to do with an adapter because I guess Apple didn't think about that. How would you plug in your new iPhone to your new MacBook? Well, you need an adapter. All right, so anyways, once your device is plugged in, if it pops up with the trust icon, tap on trust and whatever, okay? So then what you want to do is open up iTunes on your Mac, or if you have macOS Catalina, the newest version of macOS, you want to open up Finder, okay? So either iTunes or Finder, and then click on your device. So there's my device right over here. So I'm gonna go click on it, and boom, here we are. Now what you want to do is scroll down and look for restore. Or actually, it's right there at the top. Now, before we hit that, we have to turn off Find My iPhone on our device. So let's go ahead and tap on right here, tap on Find My, and you want to disable Find My iPhone. So you can see it's currently on. I'm gonna disable it because you have to. And just like that, Find My iPhone is now off. Anyways, I'm gonna go back over here. And now what you want to do is if you're on Mac, you want to hold down on the Option key. And if you're on Windows, you want to hold down the Shift key. Okay, so I am on Mac, so I'm gonna hold down the Option key. And what you want to do is then click on Restore iPhone while holding down the Option key. All right, so there it is. Let's go ahead and click on it. And you should get this menu right over here where you can search for the IPSW file that you downloaded. Okay, so that's the iOS 13.5 software file that we downloaded. So all you do is browse for it, go ahead and click on it, and you would hit open, all right? I don't have it downloaded, but that's how you would do it. It would ask you if you want to update to iOS 13.5, and once you hit OK, it would then go ahead and put your device down back to iOS 13.5, alright? And after that is done, you'll be back into your device and you'll be on iOS 13.5. Now again, do make sure that you back up all your data and all your photos and all that good stuff, because this will go ahead and restore your device. Make sure to back up all your data before restoring your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. And again, guys, this will only work as Apple is still signing iOS 13.5. Alright guys, now that's about it for this video. I really do hope that you guys found this video informative and helpful. And I know many of you guys are still wondering, hey, when is Unc0ver No Computer coming? When is Unc0ver going to be re-signed so I could just install it directly on my device without a computer? Well, hopefully within a week if things go well, as according to this tweet right here by jailbreakme.app. Of course, when that happens, I will make a brand new video as soon as that happens. This is the Tech Spot. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and peace out.